This place is known for being one of the most beautiful monastic monuments of Lorraine in the Grand Est region, and one of the major historical places of its area. Welcome to this new episode of the Châteauroute project. Today we are welcomed at the Abbaye des Prémontrés in Pont-à-Mousson, a gigantic abbey built by the Premonstraten order at the beginning of the 18th century, and we are very excited to show you what is inside. The Premonstratens are a major monastic order, which, unlike the Cistercian and the Benedictines, build opulent and rich monasteries to celebrate God. And here is a good example of what they were capable of doing. A huge baroque abbey with its church, library, numerous rooms, refectory, staircases, and apartments on the banks of the river named Moselle. The architect, Thomas Mordillac, designed the project and began the construction works in 1705. When he died, he was related by the architect Nicolas Pierson. They were premonstraten themselves, and this shows how developed and powerful this order was. We are under the choir of the church in the crypt of the Abbaye, where the second architect, Nicolas Pierson, is buried. The masterpieces they left were extremely damaged during World War II. The remaining pieces were restored, but still need attention to be maintained. Like this church choir, restored between 2015 and 2019. In memory of the past damage, they left one panel as it was before. To finance all those extraordinary works, this listed building owned by the city can rely on the public subsidies that are designed for the preservation of this universal cultural heritage. But the management of this place, entrusted to an association since 1964, goes further than just preservation.
Les 60 ans du centre culturel, alors c'est important parce que après la Seconde Guerre mondiale, l'abbaye a été pratiquement rasée suite à la libération de Pont-à-Mousson. Et il y a eu toute une mobilisation de mucipontins et puis au-delà de personnes qui étaient attachées à cette abbaye qui fait partie du paysage et qui a un passé prestigieux pour la reconstruire, et donc c'est créé une association.
Indeed, this 12,000 square meters historical place hosts nowadays several cultural and commercial activities, such as corporate seminars, art exposition. It's a well-established wedding venue, and it even has its own 3-star hotel with 70 rooms. All of this animated by a 35-people passionate team, delivering this place to our 21st century with serenity. Thanks to them, we'll still be able to admire those jewels for decades and maybe centuries to come. But what can we expect next for such a developed place?
C'est une association de gestion, on ne doit pas gagner des millions, mais on ne doit pas perdre d'argent. Voilà, donc il faut que ça soit à l'équilibre. Néanmoins, je sens qu'on peut progresser. Il y a un très bon acquis d'expérience qui a été fait dans le passé. Il y a une renommée. Mais il y a encore des projets au niveau musical, etc. Je pense qu'on peut imaginer pas mal de choses, que ce soit dans le jazz ou la musique de chambre. C'est des petites pistes qu'on est en train de regarder.
During our visit, we set up our photographic studio at free participation in the middle of one of the iconic staircases. This studio is a way for us to finance our project, meet visitors of the place we go to, and offer an ephemeral activity on site. Portraits are sent by email, and prints can be ordered to support us. This is the end of the video. Hope you enjoy it, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel and on our Instagram to be updated and see the next one.